This video covers the unboxing, installation, and sound test of the Sony wireless subwoofer. Let's begin with the unboxing. This subwoofer is an optional speaker ideal for users seeking to enhance their home theater experience with deep bass. It is compatible with the Sony Bravia Theater Bar 8. As a wireless subwoofer, eliminates the need for extensive cabling, allowing for a clean and easy setup. When paired with the Sony Bravia Theater Bar 8, it contributes to a surround sound experience, filling the room with balanced, expansive soundscapes. The subwoofer automatically powers on when it detects a signal from the soundbar and powers off when not in use, improving energy efficiency. What's inside the box? As you can see, the box contains the subwoofer, documentation, and the AC power cord. Parts and controls. How to connect the AC power cord to the subwoofer. Locate the power input port on the back of the subwoofer. Insert the AC power cord securely into the port. How to connect the subwoofer to a soundbar. Turn on the soundbar. Power up the subwoofer. If the subwoofer's green light is flashing, it means it is attempting to connect to the soundbar. Once the light turns solid green, the connection between the soundbar and subwoofer is successfully established. After that, refer to the app to optimize the sound settings. Here's a quick look at how to set up sound optimization using the app. If the connection isn't established, perform the manual connection using the app. For more details, please refer to the product's operating instructions or visit the website. Sound test. For the unboxing and installation of the compatible Sony Bravia Theater Bar 8, please please refer to the separate video available on this channel.